Hello and welcome. This video is designed to help you better understand the Duolingo English Test and to help you improve your score. I'm going to talk about the system that Duolingo uses to mark extended speaking and writing tasks. I have an example of an extended task on the screen, in this case, writing. In the extended speaking and writing tasks, you have to use your own ideas and your own English. They're not scored by a human who has trained to become an examiner. Instead, Duolingo uses algorithms which assess each task according to 7 categories of language features. 6 categories for speaking and writing, 1 for speaking only. The first 2, as you can see, are related to grammar. If you have good grammatical accuracy, that means you don't make many mistakes. Moving on to grammar complexity, if you want to get a score of 105 or more because you want to enter a university, it would be a good idea to show that you can use high-level grammar structures as well as simple ones. Here, I've made a list of some grammar structures that advanced learners of English should be able to use. Maybe not with 100% accuracy, but well enough so that other people can understand. I'm not saying you have to use all of these grammar structures in the real exam, but if you can use a good variety of grammar with simple and high-level constructions, you'll be able to express your ideas clearly. The next 2 language features are related to the words and phrases that you use in your answers. In order to achieve a high level of lexical sophistication, you'll need to use some low-frequency lexis. This means words and expressions that are not commonly used in everyday conversations. That doesn't mean you have to learn a lot of academic English vocabulary. I'd advise you to learn some new words and expressions from a variety of different fields. For example, business, art, politics, etc. Also, why not have a look at the Oxford 5000, which is a list of words that every learner of English should know. Here, for example, is a list of words that are suitable for C1 learners. How many of these words can you use accurately? To achieve a high level of lexical diversity, you should avoid repeating the same words and phrases again and again. To help us in this matter, we need to use synonyms and paraphrases. If you look at the prompt, you can see that enjoy and important are key words. You could use these words when answering the questions, no problem, but it'd be a bad idea to use them lots of times. There are some examples of how you can use these key words on the screen. I suggest that you pause the video so that you can read the sentences carefully. This is my final screen, and I'm going to start with number 6. To make sure that you have a good length, you should read the instructions carefully. Also, make sure that your answers are relevant. Stick to the questions and don't spend a long time discussing different topics. You probably know what fluency means. Acoustic features refers to your pronunciation. Actually, fluency and acoustic features are 2 different things, but in this exam they are put in the same category. We're now coming to the end of this video from the 5-minute Exam English channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you take the Duolingo English test, I wish you all the best.